going to be talking about TTM Capital Skygates, a Shark Tank project coming soon, and we're going to dive into it right now. My name is Goldie, and in this series, I bring you popular upcoming mints. Today, we're going to be talking about TTM Capital Skygates that serves as an investment hub, very similar to the show Shark Tank that has become very popular. They provide revenue sharing to their holders and provide education for starting and running your own business. But as always, before we dive into it, I want to just send you a friendly reminder that I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research before investing in any projects. This is strictly for entertainment purposes only. Never be willing to put up more money than you can afford to lose. And also, don't be afraid to hit that subscribe button. A lot of work goes into this channel here. I'm trying to get to YouTube partner. So like the video, drop a comment, let me know what you think. Share this with a friend. If you haven't gotten all the boring stuff out of the way, let's dive in to TTM Capital. So I think a great place to start is going to be right here on their website. It gives a pretty high-level overview of the project. An investment hub, Skygates, providing revenue sharing to our holders. TTM University is an educational platform where support will be provided on how to start and manage businesses. If you take a quick hop over to their utilities tab on the website, you can see they plan on having a lot of utility in the project. You can see here they have the e-store, TTM University, Entities Agency. They have their tokenomics laid out, Skygates, which is going to be their weekly show, and of course, the big important factor, revenue sharing. I'm not going to bore you with all the specifics. That's for you to visit and explore on your own, but if you click each one of these tabs, they go into very specific details about how they plan on getting to where they're trying to get to with all of their different divisions of their utilities. I'm not going to really dive into detail about the roadmap because personally, I don't want to hold a project accountable for staying exactly true to their roadmap. This is such a dynamic space. Things change very quickly, but they do have a roadmap and it does get you pretty excited when you scroll through it. So if you want to take a look at that, go ahead. But this is the part of the website that gets me really excited. You click on the team tab. I'm going to read you the description here about our team. We're a group of individuals trying to create our own show, a spin on the infamous Dragon's Den Shark Tank series. We're a dedicated and passionate collective making things happen and fulfilling our vision. We've built a serious team of visionaries. We will be pioneers in the space, and we will bring to your screens Skygates. That's going to be the name of their weekly show. And the last part of the website we're going to explore quickly here is the FAQ section. So what's the supply? 3,333. The whitelist mint price, well, it's TBA right now. It's October 27th, 2022. Is the whitelist token-based or wallet-based? Well, the whitelist is wallet-based. We won't send you any whitelist tokens. Is the team doxed? The project has been doxed. Please check out the Twitter for full certificate. And what other things have the team been doing in the past? Well, the entire team consists of experienced industry professionals working in technology development, art and design, as well as marketing and business, Web 2 and 3. And then how do I get whitelisted? Check out the Discord to find out more information. And speaking of the Discord, here we are. As you can see, I have it pulled up to the announcements because they made a major announcement, and I thought this was a timely video to make with the type of announcement that they just made. So the crux of this project is hosting that weekly show, Shark Tank style, and the big announcement that they just made is that the show is ready to go. The graphics, the setup, the procedure, all ready, starting next Saturday. So like I said, today's the 27th of October. It is a Thursday. So coming up really soon, really excited and looking forward to watching that one. And as always, you can explore the Discord on your own. It's very well organized. They're clear in their mission, in their directives, and they really lay out a roadmap for where they want to get to. The thing that I wanted to point out that I always do on the Discord deep dives, if you scroll down here on the left, the collaborations. I think NFTs are only going to be successful when they collaborate with other projects. This isn't a zero-sum game. This is not mutually exclusive in terms of success. You know, I love the idea of working with other projects to share best practices. I always say, and I'm going to say it again, a rising tide raises all ships. So take a look at the collabs over here, and you can see they're working with not only a lot of them, but definitely some big names as well. So I really like to see that. And was a deep dive into an NFT project in their Discord without checking out some sneak peeks of what the NFTs are actually going to look like. I think they look pretty dope. They're incredibly detailed, and it may not come through on the show right now, but if you want to take a look on your own and click on these images, you can see that there is an incredible amount of detail and Easter eggs within each one of these NFTs. And lastly, I want to take a look at their Twitter page here. If you are in the Solana NFT space, you know that a lot of success does come from or stem from your ability to communicate through Twitter. They have a really solid following of 15.1 thousand followers, and I sound silly, but the description really does mean a lot for someone who's looking for an NFT project to be a part of. So it definitely has to be concise, to the point, and grab your attention. And TTM Capital definitely has a description that does that. And I do want to point out, just 2 hours ago, they tweeted some big news. Skygates, their show, like we just talked about in the major announcements, starting the 12th of November. So mark those calendars. All interactions with that post will be considered for whitelist. So if you're looking to get whitelisted on this project, there's plenty of different ways, not only just by interacting with this post, but hop into that Discord. They're going to let you know the different ways that are available for you. And that's going to wrap it up for Mint Spotlight. So thanks for watching. As always, I really do appreciate the support. TTM Capital looks like a great project. I think it's a brilliant idea, bringing a new layer of creativity to NFT space. I wish you the best of luck on your launch, and I can't wait to watch those shows on a weekly basis. There's sure to be some really creative ideas brought your way. So if you like these videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, drop a comment, share it with a friend. Let me know what you think, and if there's any other projects that you want me to check out and spotlight, please, I'm all ears. So until next time, my name's Goldie. I'm in Frisco, Texas. When Moon? When Lambo? See you soon.